Hello friends, this is Sai Fernandra from SQL School, assuring you complete practice-oriented lectures, completely into real time, completely practical. Let's understand how to perform the installation of SQL Server, the agenda for today's class. And this includes our lab plan that consists of 3 phases. Server installation, phase 1, and tool installation, a tool called SSMS, SQL Server Management Studio. I repeat, SQL Server Management Studio, the tool installation, like a browser required to connect to a website. Tool is required to connect to the server and testing the connections. Total 3 different phases involved in our agenda today. And here is our lab plan to start our classes from scratch, to start our classes from the very basics, right from the beginning. We need this lab plan configuration in your computer. I would be guiding you how to install SQL Server total 2 times, first time and second time. Then how to install a tool, a browser, to establish connection to the installed servers like 321, 322. Later classes we go for 3 to 4 also later. For today we will be understanding 1, 2, 3 and connections between them. Come on, let's get started. Let's understand slowly, step by step, how to install SQL Server in our computers. So here is our class notes. I'll just take you to our class notes now. Yes, on the screen. Before we start the installation, database. What is database? A platform to store any type of data, any amount of data in an organized format. No limit on the amount of data you would like to store in a database. You may ask me, why don't we store data in a PDF file or Excel file? Why to go for database? Yes, database can store vast volumes of data, huge volumes of data. More secure, more powerful, more faster compared to a traditional Excel or a Word document or a PDF. There are different types of databases. We need them to understand our installation journey today. OLTP. Assume a live cricket match or a live temperature, live stock market operations, live online banking, live reservations, anything live, OLTP. To store online transaction processing database. OLTP means online transaction processing database. To store live real-time data, also called as hot data. Warehouse. Data warehouse. To store old historical data or inactive data, also called as cold data. We call it as cold data. OLAP, Online Analytical Processing Database, to store big data for analysis and forecast. OLAP. And we have HTAP, Hybrid Transactional Analytical Processing Database, a mix. Assume a live cricket match OLTP, the old data or old bank transactions, old stock market operation, that is warehouse. Cold data we call, COLD, cold. We see past data analysis and forecast predictions like expected run rate in a cricket match, or stock market activities, buy this stock, sell that stock, like this. The forecasts are the talent of the caliber of OLAP databases. A mix of OLTP, OLAP and warehouse together is equal to STAP. Hybrid transactional analytical processing database. A mix. For example, a Google map, we see live tracking, historical navigation path, like where we took left turn, where we took U-turn, something like this, and ETA, expected time of arrival, right? That is called HTAP. To work with these databases today, in another 2 to 3 minutes, we'll start installing a DBMS, database management system. It's a software. We have to install the software. A brand of DBMS from Microsoft, our SQL Server, our new friend from today. Why SQL Server? Advantages: cheaper, free support and free BI tool, business intelligence tools for reporting, analytics. Different versions of SQL Server: 2022, 2019, 2017, so on. Just like Windows, you have Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10, Windows, so on. Different versions of Windows. Same way, different versions of SQL Server: 2022, 2019, 2017, 16, so on. And in Windows, you see various editions, right? You see various editions, like in Windows, you have Windows Ultimate, and we have Windows Professional, Enterprise, Home, etc. Same way, in SQL Server also we have various editions: Data Center Edition, Enterprise Edition, Evaluation, Standard, Developer, so on. Various editions of SQL Server. In our classes, we are going to understand the differences between the versions and the differences between the editions and when to use which. For that reason, we need to have multiple installations, not only to learn, understand and conclude which version to choose and which edition to use and when, not only for this version comparison, edition comparison, but also to learn something else called linked servers, remote joins, distributed transactions, so on. We need them. We need multiple servers to be installed. After we do the installation part today, from our very next class, we are slowly starting with SQL, the base, SQL fundamentals. From there, transact SQL. What's the difference? SQL is a communication platform to speak to any database, development and management activities. Structured query language, a platform to communicate with any database for development and management. A variant of SQL, a type of SQL called transact SQL, TSQL, a platform to communicate with databases stored in Microsoft SQL Server. SQL Server is a DBMS from Microsoft. We are right now talking about DBMS. In next few classes from 6th chapter of our fundamental course, we'll understand something called RDBMS, relational DBMS. Yes, either DBMS or RDBMS. We have transact SQL. Like a language, English, like iPhone is a brand of mobile. English is a brand of language. TSQL is a brand of SQL, or TSQL is a variant of SQL. We'll go there slowly with example, step by step, with SQL and TSQL. Before that, let's start our installations agenda for today's class. Believe me, 3 steps, 3 minutes for each installation, and total we have to install 3 times. 3 boxes, 1 on my screen, 1, 2, 3. 3 installations, and each installation would take 3 minutes. 1 and 2, 3 minutes each. The other installation called SSMS, SQL Server Management Studio, may sometimes take bit longer time. Let's do the installation now. You would be able to download this class notes below this video in the description bar or description box of this video. You would be able to download the notes anyway. Let's observe it carefully. Yes, download SQL Server 2019 or 2022. I'll just mention them in order like this. Either 2022 or 2019, any one you download from this website. Once you download, you get one zip file, ZIP zip, a compressed file. Right click the downloaded file, extract. Then you see a folder. Okay, inside the folder, you need to double click on setup file. Setup application file. Remember this. I'll show you anyway. Let's stay tuned. Same thing, either 2019 or 2017 or 2022, same process. Same song, same lyrics. Observe carefully. First you download. Where it is, let me show you. I'll show you the downloaded file. Here it is. For example, 2019 or 2022 or even 2017, same process. What we do? Download. Once you download from our website, right click, extract. Then you get a folder like this. Okay, right click, extract. Then you get a folder. Anyone, 2022 or 2019, anything is fine. Once you extract, double click on this setup file, this one. Double click on the setup file. Let's wait. Remember, you need to go to our sqlschool.com downloads website, and there you see the required download link. You click on download and run the setup file. So what we do, simply double click the setup file, and once you double click on the setup file, let's wait for some time, and down you will see one setup screen. You will see one setup screen. Let's hold on. Let's wait. This one. what we do? Check whether our computer is ready for installation or not. Remember, we need to have Windows 8 or higher operating system. System configuration checker tool. It checks whether our computer is ready for installation or not. If you are using Mac, please enable Windows. Inside your MacBook, enable Windows. If any help you need, please WhatsApp me to this number. To enable Windows in Mac, just WhatsApp me your Mac version so that I'll provide you the steps to enable Windows in your MacBook. Or any kind of installation errors, please WhatsApp me. Make sure we verify whether we are ready for installation or not. System configuration checker. Planning system configuration checker. Then comes installation. Here it is, installation and new installation. So planning system configuration checker, installation, new installation. Let's wait for a few moments. We should be receiving a new window. We should receive a new window. Let's wait for a few moments. Like this. Just ignore this product update. No problem. Next. Ignore the product update. No worries. Simply say next. Okay. Concentrate only on next. If you go for product update, again it will ask you to restart your computer. Not required right now. Just simply next. Ignore the product update and next. You may see a firewall warning. No problem. Ignore it for now. These are all post-installation activities. We'll be understanding in our classes later. Here it is, the firewall warning. No problem. Next. So product update means hot fix. Firewalls. Administration job or DBA course. For now, say next. We'll do as and when required for our project work. Perform new installation. Simply say next. Evaluation. What is evaluation? 180 days trial. Just say next. Evaluation is a edition. Okay, this one. Evaluation. 6 months trial. It's a flavor of SQL Server. Back to our installation notes. Next. I'm doing nothing. Okay, simply double click and next. Ignore the warnings if any. No worries about the warnings. Leave them to me. We have them in our classes anyway. Simply say next. Let's wait for a few moments. Let's say next and let's wait for a few moments. And here, very important, you see something called database engine. This one. Select database engine. Okay. Once you select database engine, say next. Purpose of database engine, OLTP. Remember, live, real-time transaction processing. Like live cricket match, live online banking, live transaction processing. Select database engine. Say next. Then we need to select or specify a name to the installation. Here is our nodes. Right click, downloaded file, extract. You see a folder. Inside folder, double click on the setup file. evaluation edition, next time developer, database engine for what? Database engine for OLTP. What is that? Online transaction processing. Okay, real time data, live data. Okay, select database engine. Same selection you will do here also. Select database engine. Next input, installation name. This one, installation name. We'll see the differences between them in our actual classes anyway. For now, basic installation. I'll say SQL Server installation 1. Give some name. Okay, SQL Server installation name. These are my previously installed instances or installations. Leave it for now. In your case, you would see empty list. No problem. We can install SQL Server up to 50 times per computer. We can install SQL Server up to 50 times per computer. We are doing only 2 times in our lab plan today. Just give some name. Any name to your installation is fine. Next. So first, database engine. Next, installation name means instance name. Remember, instance means installation of SQL Server. Then as per the notes, add current user. Let's wait. Here it is, add current user. Third, final input. Let's go back to the installation. I'll simply bypass the screen, concentrate only on next. If I directly say next, it won't work. Missing system administrator account. What we have to do? As per the notes, add current user. Remember, we'll see the authentications and other items slowly. For now, database engine, installation name, and add current user. Next. Click install. This one, okay? Click install. We just started the installation of SQL Server. First server. Let the installation start. It would take few moments time to do the installation. Take max 2 to 3 minutes, okay? Your installation would be complete. This is the first green box. Okay, this would be the first green box. So here we are right now in our process, first server. Same way you will install second server also, either 2019 or 2017, anyone. So both can be 2019, both can be 2017, both can be 2022. Any combination is okay. We require 2 servers to practice remote joins, linked servers, and distributed transactions, other components. I am showing you the 2019 installation now. Let's complete this. Then I'll show you 2022 installation. I mean, any combination is okay. Or you may install both 2019. I mean, 2019 can be installed 2 times. 2017 can be installed 2 times, or 2022 can be installed 2 times. It's up to you. Any combination is fine. We are right now almost done with the first installation. Let's wait for a few moments. Almost done. Yeah. Installation complete. Database engine successful. During installation, in case of any error, just WhatsApp me or mail us, and here is the contact info, or you can mail our contact at sqlschool.com. the email address you see on the website, anything is fine. First installation complete, first green box ready, close. Let's have the second one also. Right click the downloaded file from our website, you will download the required software. Next, right click, extract, and you get a folder like this. Right click, extract, and you get a folder. Now here we go. Click on the setup file. Say yes. Click on the setup file. Let's wait for a few moments. Let's wait for first. Let's wait for a few moments. Then we get one setup screen. Okay, just wanted to repeat the previous concept. Same interface, only the version is different. Let's wait. Very first time, system configuration checker tool. Okay, click on system configuration checker tool. Let's wait. Let's wait for some time. Show details, everything is fine. Okay. What next? Installation left. First time, planning system configuration checker. Now installation, new installation. That is 2.1. 2.1. I repeat once again. Installation left, new installation right. 2.1. From here, it's a simple next finish process. We'll do it carefully, step by step. Say next. Next, product updates you can ignore. Okay, no problem. It is a post installation activity, hot fix. We'll do it separately, part of administration management. For now, just ignore it. Ignore it for now. Say next. Let's wait for some time. Okay, let's wait for a few moments. Let's wait. Next, and new installation. Earlier evaluation, now it is developer. developer edition lifelong free. Say next. Accept licensing terms. Let's wait. So earlier developer edition, now lifelong free. Earlier evaluation, 6 months trial. Now developer. Let's select next. Select database engine. Okay. Select database engine. If you are using 2022 down, you have to uncheck extension for Azure. Just uncheck it. Okay, so here it is. I'll repeat. Select database engine. Uncheck extensions for Azure and next. Let's wait. Okay, let's wait for a few moments. Let's wait for some time. Yes, provide the installation name. Okay, provide the installation name. I'll say SQL School, INST, and 2. Give some name. Any name is fine. Okay, earlier INST1, now INST2. See there. Next. Scroll down, you are able to see the required instances. INST1 I said earlier. Now I'll say INST2 like this. Give some name. Okay, so INST-TWO this way. Whenever we give some name, we get ID automatically. Okay, next. Click on next. What we're doing now? We're just installing the SQL Server. The second time. Let's wait for a few moments. You understood the first installation. The second one is straightforward. The same thing. Okay. So first time database engine. Now the second input installation name. Hope you remember the third input, right? Let's wait for the third input. Add current user. Let's wait. Say next. Let's wait. Yes, this one. Add current user as administrator. Next. And simply install. We're almost done now. Say simply install. Okay. This way we install SQL Server total of 2 times. Once we do the installation of SQL servers 1 and 2, means 2 instances, right? 2 instances are done. Now our next step, final step. In your notes, you have the download link for SSMS. We have to install SSMS also. So 2 servers and 1 tool. What's the purpose of this SSMS? SQL Server Management Studio for the purpose of establishing connection to the server and performing operations like storage, retrieval, security, etc. Simply double click on the SSMS setup file. There are separate SSMS, one for 2019, one for 2022, one for 2017. Any one is fine. You will see install. Here you will see something called install. Very first time you see install button, click it. That's it, you are done. So total we have 3 installations. First box ready, second box ready, first and second box database engine, installation name, add current user as admin. Third box, just download, double click, start the installation. Now final step, how to test the installation. Simple process. Back to our notes. Let's stay tuned. We did first server installation, second server installation, tool installation, last final item, a 1 minute item, how to connect the server. Windows app search, type SSMS. Search and type SSMS. Whatever installation of Management Studio you did earlier, you will be having, earlier means like you do along with the class notes today, maybe 2017 or 19, whatever it is, you get that in the list. One SSMS is enough, click it. 17, 19, whatever, you click. Whatever SSMS you installed, you get it. What we do, go to search and type there SSMS, remember. Okay, once we have your SSMS ready, let's wait for a few moments. We should get one Management Studio prompt. Let's wait. We should get one prompt for SSMS tool. Let's wait for a few moments. Let's wait. We get one prompt like this. It may take some time in case if the installations are going on over the background, it may take some time. After installations, you follow the process. Okay, go to Windows, apps, type there SSMS. Just go to Windows and type SSMS. Once you type SSMS, okay, once you type there SSMS, you get Management Studio like this. Okay, once we get Management Studio, let's wait. You get a prompt, okay, like this. You get a prompt. Remember, we selected database engine, right? OLTP. I checked database engine component during installation. Server name, we don't know. Browse for more, we don't know. So browse for more, this one, drop down, browse for more, expand database engine, whatever server you installed today, you select it. Okay, and connect. Okay, once again, click on connect database engine, drop down server name, browse for more, database engine second server that you will be installing as per the guide installation notes. OK, connect. So yellow to first green, yellow to second green. From next class we'll understand how to play with this interface, databases, something called tables, and so on. I'll repeat once again. Observe carefully. Let me close the window. Let me close all windows. Firstly, you install SQL Server 2 times. Okay, you install SQL Server total 2 times. Then after your installation is complete, it may ask you to restart your computer. It may ask you, the system may ask you to restart your computer. Then go to Windows, type there SSMS, SQL Server Management Studio 1917, anyone, click that SSMS. Installations may take some time to get the complete installation and may trigger restart your computer. Then go to Windows app, search SSMS. You get this kind of black box screen. You get the screen, and very first time you get a prompt like this. What we do? Drop down either 19 or 17 or 2022, same process, no problem, it works. Your tool can be 2019, server can be 2022 and 2017, anything it can be, any combination will work. Browse for more. What next? Database engine, first server that we installed. OK, and connect. We are connecting to a server within our computer. I mean, you would be installing SQL Server, you will be installing SSMS tool, and you would be testing the connection. What to do? Connect database engine. Very first time you say browse for more. Browse for more. Database engine installation name, instance name. OK. Very first time you say browse for more. Subsequent time you have it in the drop down automatically. Say connect. This way, yellow to first green, yellow to second green. From tomorrow, from next class, we'll understand very next item, SQL. We need to start practicing our SQL concepts. So make sure you do the practice. You complete the item 9, 1 to 8 anyway, theory part, 9, 10, 11 items. You please complete them for enjoying our next classes slowly, step by step. Please be informed. We need to have daily mock tests in the class. On email. Every day, concept wise, for every course, you have mock tests. You will submit the mock tests and get my answers. Again, next concept mock test, answer. Next concept mock test, answer. It continues. For every course, we have mock tests and answers, chapter wise. So we need to get job ready. Need your support. On time practice, please. Do the installations. Let me know for clarifications if any. Glad to assist you. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Thank you once again. See you. Thank you.